Welcome to AAA. This is our latest style deck light. It's a 304 stainless grade. That's 304 grade. This casing has 6 clips, which are obviously all stainless as well. Also, the added advantage with this one, once you've locked them in place, you can actually screw a special screw in there which holds it in so it can't be opened and it can't come open with vibration. Also helps hold the cable in as close as it'll go. Also, you'll see on this we've put toughened glass front on it, so this isn't going to fade like PVC. And we've put 2 of our latest tubes in there, which gives a wider angle of light. So if you haven't got a lot of headroom, ideally under a shelter deck or something, the idea with this tube is it'll spread the light rather than putting one beam down in one area. It's got 2 different outputs, angles per tube. So it's almost, well, it is 4 strips of LEDs. This casing will take our old tubes. If you wanted to swap from the old style LED to this new style, our old style tubes will fit in here exactly the same. So it's a nice toughened piece of glass. Obviously it's not going to bounce, but it will take a fair old whack. It also comes with 2 safety clips, which once you've got it wired up, you can clip into the casing, so if those clips were to come undone, or if you have to get in there to do something, it will hold the glass. These tubes are 2 foot and obviously designed to go in this casing. They're 1000 lumens per tube, and it's actually got a 240-degree beam pattern. This back board just slides off to give you access to the back of the light. Obviously this is designed to be mounted up on a roof or gantry or something similar. It does come with these rubber bungs, basically sit over the outside, and there's one on the inside which actually sits into the hole. The idea being that you also put a stainless steel washer each side, so the washer squishes that down, and the same from the underneath, and then you would screw up or bolt up onto whatever you're attaching it to. There is also an option with this. You could have it on a swinging chain or something if you wished. Obviously you use the washers again, but that would then do that, and then you've got a nut which you would tighten up on the inside so they could be hung. I would imagine most people will just screw these back to the ceiling or whatever it's been mounted to. Personally, if you put these on, I would still put some silicone around there. Probably a marine sealant would be better, but you know, sort of a high quality sealant, just to make sure there's no water can gain entry into the light from this point. This particular light I'm showing you is 1224 volt. Obviously if you put 240 volt or 220 volt or any mains voltage into this casing, then you should earth the casing and the board. Once that's in and you'd already wired it, then you would tighten these Phillips screws which stops this board sliding around. I'm not going to do it because I keep taking it apart to show people. Also on the outside of this glass there's quite a nice rubber seal, which with those clips holding on it hopefully keep all the water out. When you put these on, I normally squeeze them together just to make sure they're as far on the glass as they'll go. But you also, once it's up there and you're happy with it, there's a screw that winds into each clip. I'm not going to pull it in all the way because I'm going to have to pull it again in a sec. But basically you screw that in, which helps hold that in and stops it springing back at all, so the glass cannot fall out. There's 6 of these in there to match the 6 scratches. All comes in the kit with it. I'll just give you some quick measurements. The width on this casing is 28 inches, 710 mil, and it's 2 foot 4 inches long. So 28 inches, 2 foot 4 or 710 mil, depending which way you work on it. The width is 8 inches, 200 mil, and the actual depth, if you had it coming down from the ceiling, is I think if you work on 4-inch 100 mil, then you'd have plenty of clearance there. Also, you will notice it does come with a adjustable cable gland, so once your cable's in you can tighten this up. Normally when we fit these, just as a precaution, before we actually tighten it right up, we put a little bit of silicone in there and then squeeze it down just to make sure it's 100%. Nothing can get in there. Okay, thanks for watching.